Welcome to the greatest Tamil science program. This week again we are going to continue our talk on Sanjeevi, one of the wonder drug which one has to really get to know and feel to experience. So we're going to talk about the burn care today. We have spoken about the skin care last week. We've spoken about the wound care. We're going to talk about the burn care. So again, the problem in the world today that in any system of medicine, we have no medicine whatsoever for burn care. So burn cares are of different types. When there is a firewood related cooking, you may burn yourself there in your fingers or whatever. When there is a gas stove, it's a blue flame, you can burn your fingers there. Or in any fire accident, there are so many fire accident happens where there will be a lot of wood will be burning, there will be a lot of plastics will be burning. Those wounds, fire wounds are completely different. When we get burnt with metals, that is, if you go on a bike and you have to slip and fall, the bike has to come on you, and the silencer has to burn your legs. That's called metal burn. That is a different thing. When we burn crackers during festivals, they are more of magnesium sulfide and whatnot. When due to the cracker fires, when we get burned, that burn is different. So you have different types of burns, steam burns, which is very, very important. The high pressure steam, when it sometimes opens up the valves and locks and broken, and the pressure steam has to come and attack you, it has to come on you. It really burns you very badly. Maybe 1 or 2 inch inside the flesh get cooked. Such burns. And finally, you have in the atomic power plants, you have the radiation burns. Because of the atomic pollution, those radiations of atomic gamma rays can, burn your skin, and then later on it becomes a incurable wound. But it is a radiation burn. For all these things, again, body is the only salvation. It has the mechanism to heal itself, because in wound care, we have migration of cell mechanism which can do things fast. In burn care, the same thing happens, but because of your area is burned, it is cooked also. You can see a strange stinking smell out there. That really takes time, because the inflammatory part of that area, you'll be seeing a lot of fluids getting discharged all the time whenever you remove the dressing. That Sanjeevi is one drug which is an amazing external application which can heal your burned area, whatever type of burn, very, very fast. You may think that how it is possible with one key for many locks. That's the way they designed those days. Those brilliant brains, especially Lord Agathier, who designed this product. This for skin care, wound care and the burn care. How you have the master key in a hotel which can open all 200, 300 rooms with one key. The modern science always does not believe in one master key which can open many locks. No, they want specific drug for specific problems. So you have nothing today. In any system of medicine, you have external applications. It takes care of the burning sensation, most of it, but it will not heal. But Lord Agathier has made such a wonderful drug called Sanjeevi, which is one of the most brilliant stuff in the world for all types of wound care. Amazing. I've been handling this in the last 23 years and helped a lot of people, and I've saved them without scars. That's the most brilliant satisfaction I've ever experienced in my life. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next program.